Cape Coral homeowners should know. If you spot a tiny hole or a low-down tear in your pool screen, you might be able to patch it yourself with a kit from the hardware store. Just remember, Florida sun, storms, and salty air can make those fixes short-lived. But if you see big rips, sagging panels, or damage up high, that's a whole different ballgame. Climbing ladders, handling aluminum, and making sure your pool cage stays strong in storms, that's when it's time to call in the experts. All Screening of SWFL uses tough, Florida-ready mesh, sturdy tools, and the right safety gear, so your repairs last and your home stays protected. Don't risk your safety or your enclosure. Schedule your free estimate today and let the pros handle it. Keep your outdoor space safe, comfy, and looking great.